Hello YouTube, welcome back to Kershaw County, more specifically Bethune, South Carolina. Bethune is a small town of about 334 people, I believe is what I read, as of the 2020 census. I can't remember now. So it's a small town for sure. And this is a true dash cam drive through. I'm going to turn on to US 1 in town, and I'm going to be out of town. I didn't go cruise down Main Street and check everything out because I was on my way to a tour day Chesterfield County. I went to every town in Chesterfield County on the same day. I have those videos up soon. Hopefully I'll spread them out a little bit, but they'll be in order. I'll do Bethune, which I drove through on the way there, and Society Hill, which broke up between Sherall and Patrick. I'll put those two up first, and then we'll group all the Chesterfield towns together. But anyway, Bethune, interesting fact on Bethune, they used to have a festival called the Chicken Strut, which I believe, I didn't do too much research, but it looked like they did some chicken racing or something close to that. But unfortunately, it doesn't look like they have that event anymore. I just went on Facebook, and it looked like some of the town drama, small town drama, right, is the main culprit as to why they do not have a chicken strut anymore. I believe the last one was held in 2021, based on what I saw on Facebook. But little towns like this, it's always cool when they have events. I actually was coming from the Lizard Man Stomp in nearby Bishopville, which I've done before a long time ago, actually. Probably should have redone it because it wasn't as good. But that's where I was coming from. I've done a couple of these festivals now. I really like them, and I wish they'd still do the chicken strut here.